it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we'll be making a small treat holder slash small gifts, and it can be considered a cute little purse. The very fun thing about this is we're not actually using dies. We're going to cut and score and do it all by hand. So kind of really excited to get this project out to you guys. The person that I saw on Pinterest was a lady that's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Her name is Sunny Day Stamping, or that's not her name, but her channel is Sunny Day Stamping, and she does have a YouTube channel. This one here is a 6x6 piece of paper, and the paper is from Hobby Lobby, and this is the paper that I used. And then, of course, we're going to use the 8.5 by 11, and we're going to cut and score together. Alright, so now we have that. So it's supposed to look like this 6x6. So now what I'm going to bring in is I'm going to bring in this We Are Keeper punch board. Alright, anyways, we have this. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a decorative piece on the ends. So going to happen is you're going to fold this up, and then these will actually go in like this, and that's the base of the treat holder, and then it folds in like this, and then you've got the base of the holder. Okay, but we do need a piece of a strip for the handle, and this measures 3/4 by 8.5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to glue this up, and the way we're going to glue it is we're going to glue one end on the outside and the other end on the inside. So let me show you. Put glue there and there. So this, oh goodness, is going to go glue right here, but we also need glue here, so glue on the other side. So let's put glue there and on the other side. Okay, so now you've got glues opposite corners, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to fold it in and stick them down, and the same on the other side. Fold it in and stick them down. Okay. but that's it. That is our project. Pretty cool, huh? All right, what can we put in here? We can obviously put candies. All right, so I'm just gonna do one Hershey Kisses. You can see in there, ton of candies. We can do nuggets too if you want to. You know, depending on if you want to put it in here like this, right? So it fits 5 across. We can definitely put candy canes. I put 6 in here, as you can tell. It's cute too. It's a cute gift. Or let's see. Let's see if it holds lip balms. Pretty. That version. Then we've got this size. Fits as well. Then we've got hand sanitizer. Fits really easy. Or it can stand up as well. And you can put a lip balm, candy, right? Maybe not a candy. Yeah, you could put a candy. Let's see. What else do I have? Eyeshadow. I don't know if the eyeshadow fits. No, it won't fit because it's. I mean, you can get something smaller. The different size of hand sanitizer, it does fit, but at an angle. You have to put it in an angle, right? I don't think it'll lay. It won't lay, but it does fit in an angle like this. And I have a feeling a gift card will fit here as well. So you can put a gift card. You can put gift card, some candy, mixed candy, and a lip balm. Of course, you gotta arrange it so it looks good. But you could put a lip balm. Why do you do that? So lip balm, gift card. So just really cute, small gifts that you can give to teachers, coworkers, your mailman, Amazon delivery, anybody that you want to gift to. I see people gift, especially during Christmas, they like to gift to for their servers. Just leave it at the table. Very cute. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, but it's just a cute way to give treats, I think. So this is my one project that I worked with you guys. And here's another one. These papers are from Hobby Lobby. So these are Werther's. I love Werther's and I like how it's gold. So I'm putting Werther's in some of them. And this one, I took the candy canes from it, but you can put candy canes. And these candy canes I bought from Costco. I like that they're individually wrapped. So put Merry Christmas and a ribbon for bows. Same thing. These are all one paper pack from Hobby Lobby. I think it's like Groovy Christmas or something. So not traditional colors by any means. They've got my nutcracker and then the other side. Then you've got this guy. And then this guy, which you've seen already, but different bow. Oops. Right? And then this one, last one. So you can make a lot. It's really easy. I loved how easy it was, and I didn't need a die, and I could just do some scoring and some cutting, and I can make these treat holders and give them away or sell them. For me, I'm selling them at craft fairs, and definitely will be giving some out to teachers and classmates, anybody, even my husband's coworkers maybe. We'll see. I don't know if he's going to be giving that stuff, but it's still really cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.